Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me an email and they actually sent me a screenshot of when they create new toolbars, they can't get rid of them. So they've got like 4 of them active, and this is in German, I guess. I'm guessing. I didn't even think about it. Uh, so they got all these toolbars that they're not active, and I just happen to have a few myself, and one of them's active, one of them's not. Let's move this. Well, I guess we can't move this. Turn that off. See, I turned off this no fill that I had the other day. So I'm just going to right click up there and turn it back on. And there it is right there, no fill. And what's good about it is it's always there no matter what property bar you've opened. And, but there is a way to get rid of the old one. So we need to get rid of number 2 because I don't even know what it is. So you can't just click on it and delete it from here, but you can, and this isn't going to help too many people, but you can go to tools and options and customization, and right here are their toolbars. There's the one, my new one that I'm going to keep, but this is the old one I'm not going to keep. Well, I can right click on it. Well, I just did this a few minutes ago. Oh, right here. Click on it and then just hit delete. So now I just have that new toolbar, which I could, you know what, it'd be nice to change the name of it. I'm going to do it all in cap. So now I only have one toolbar that I created. So we'll go OK. Don't just cancel, go OK. And now we go to the toolbar, and you can see I've actually killed 2 birds with 1 stone. You could change the name of the toolbar that you created, and I wish I thought about I could make it another toolbar. Um, let's just make another one. Let's go to the Smart Fill tool and hold down the Control and the Alt button and drag it out here, and then put it in here. And well, you have to actually, I think, let me do that again. Oh, see, that's one problem people have. I messed up and it's gone now, and it's nowhere to be found. But you can always go right here and go down to that and put it back. Now you have the Smart Fill tool again. So, but hold down the Control of the Alt button and then leave it there parked. You can click around and see it's still here, but then you could take it and park it up here. So you've created a new toolbar, and if we right click up here, there's the new toolbar, and we could go in and name it, but I could delete it. And just while we're here, you could take this and go customize toolbar item and put captions right of, well, it ran out of space to do that. Sometimes that does that. I don't have a big enough space for and sometimes it's difficult to move this stuff around. Oh, I get confused sometimes. So you can move, sometimes you can move stuff around. Okay, there it is right there. I just changed places. So now I have 2 toolbars. This is a little confusing sometimes when you're doing this. This is actually where you can move it around. But what's good about that, no matter what, if you're in text mode And see, I've actually cut down my text mode to shorter version, but that is always there. And if, you know, so the no fill that we did the other day, go right over here and just hit no fill. And then if you want smart fill, you just fill it in. Well, didn't do any good to fill it in with white. And this isn't really what the video is about, but you have those two deals right there. And I hope that answered their question. So let's say I was going to want to delete this, and this will be good. Go to Tools, Option, Customization, and there is our, well, where's our Smart Fill tool? Well, it's right there. I haven't named it. I've named it up here, but I haven't named it up here. So all I have to do is select on it and hit delete, and then hit OK, and that toolbar is gone. Anyway, that was a little confusing, but I hope that person understood, and thank you for watching.